Hola! Today we are traveling to southern Spain and we're bringing you a traditional dish from Andalusia. It's something people eat at Easter. It's a stew I love to eat all year round, which is a Spanish-style chickpea and spinach stew called potaje. Let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description. We are doing a vegetarian-friendly option here, but people also make it with bacalao or codfish. First of all, I start dicing the onions. Now I carefully cut and chop the garlic. Now I peel and I dice the carrots. Now we're gonna move on to the preparation of our secret special touch, which is called Mahal. I'm gonna make some homemade crouton here, so I'm frying the bread. You can do this with stale bread or with any type of brown bread goes well. Now I'm gonna fry some almonds a little bit. Do this quick because you don't want them to burn. I'm adding a touch of salt. And a final stir. I set all this aside and now we start with the stew. We're gonna use a pressure cooker. We add some olive oil. First, we throw in the garlic. We're gonna set a little bit of it aside for the Mahal, by the way. Now we add the onions. We stir it all together. Now you can add salt at taste. Same thing goes for the black ground pepper. And now we're gonna set this aside because we're adding the paprika and we don't want it to burn. So there it goes. Give it a quick stir. And right after that, I'm adding my grated tomato. And I put it back in the fire. Keep moving. And now let's add the carrots. Give it a quick stir. And now our fresh and clean spinach. They'll simmer down very quickly, although it seems big now. So I stir it all. And here it is. Finally, we're going to add the chickpeas. Give them a quick stir again. And for the final touch, a little bit of cumin. Now we're going to add water, just cover like a fingertip. And finally, a sprinkle of vinegar. Let's give it a stir. We're going to set aside this much stock. Now we close the pressure cooker, and while it's all cooking together, we're gonna make the Mahal mixture. We're gonna use a mortar and we're gonna add the garlic we set aside. Gonna give it a good beating. Now add the almonds, mash them well. And now let's add the croutons. You can break them with your hand, and then with the mortar, you'll break them further until you get a paste. Finally, we're gonna get the stock we set aside, and we're gonna mix it all together. So this is our secret ingredient, the Majao, which is gonna give it all the flavor and beauty to this meal. A great replacement for meat or fish. I boiled a couple of eggs, and I'm gonna use it for a topping. You'll see later on. I opened the pressure cooker, and I'm adding our secret weapon, Mahal. Let's give it a gentle stir. You can see it gets the color of it, and let's just let it rest a little bit. So now we have our potaje ready, and it's time for a little bit of egg topping. That's it. That's the final touch. Really colorful and delicious dish. It smells beautiful. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, it tastes delicious. It brings us memories of Easter when I try this. Oh, it's so lovely. Absolutely gorgeous. Buen provecho. Enjoy. Adiós.